What's up, everybody? Novelty back at you again. We got a little vegan stir fry going right here. In this pan I have garlic, serrano pepper, onions, and then I got some spices in there, you know, the usual spices I use. I didn't take the seeds out of the serrano. It was a small one, just like, you know, this size, pretty small. But it'll still add a lot of spice. Always use black pepper and turmeric together. That's what activates the antioxidants of the turmeric in your body. And then of course, sea salt. Looks like I'm running low, I'm gonna have to get more. So I got these together. I'm gonna turn it on medium heat, maybe medium close to high. And then I got some mushrooms and some green bell pepper cut up. So once this gets going, I'm gonna add these to the mix, let the flavors get to know each other. And then last but not least, I got a lima bean, black bean mix with a little bit of avocado in there. And then I'll top it off with some cayenne pepper. So it's definitely gonna have that spice. I'll also just do a splash of spring water. And this is almost done. That's the good thing about cooking vegan. It doesn't really take too long to cook. I like a little texture for my vegetables too. I don't overcook things. I like to have a little texture. Like for me, this is done. If you like your vegetables to be a little bit softer, you know, you can just saute it longer. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So stay tuned for more cooking videos with Novelty.